Hi, welcome back to Open Hand Farm. If you're new here, my name is Penny and I am so glad you are here today. For the last couple of years, I have been making honey garlic fermented pickles, and they are a favorite of my daughter-in-law's, and I love them too. I am not a pickle person, but these are so good. We actually call them the sparkle pickles because when you eat them, they almost sparkle in your mouth because of the fermentation, and they are just so good. They keep their crispiness. They're great on a hamburger or with anything. So today I have just enough new cucumbers to go ahead and make a batch. I did pick the cucumbers very small because when the cucumber plant grows a full-size cucumber, it starts to stop growing as well because it thinks, oh, I've already made the seeds, and that's my purpose in life, is to make seeds so that I can be replenished down the road. And once those cucumbers get really big, your plant is going to stop growing as well. So I went ahead and picked these really small, real skinny, but I'm just going to make them into some little spears and go with it. So come along as we put together some honey garlic fermented pickles. Wasn't that easy? I left it in real time so that you can see how long it actually takes. If you have cucumbers, go for it. It's quick. There aren't a lot of ingredients. You just stick it on your shelf in your pantry, your laundry room, wherever it's kind of cool and dark, and you let it sit there for 2 to 5 days. After 2 days, open your jar up and taste them. If you like the way they taste, go for it. If you want them to be a little bit more sparkly and a little bit more stronger flavor, wait another day or so. It's totally up to you. They will have great benefits for your gut health, and they taste amazing. Thanks so much for watching. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do. And give us a thumbs up if you like this kind of video so that I'll know what it is that you want to see. Until next time, blessings on you and yours.